1.5c, so I'm going to let you guys know my first problem is really bad, and I can't actually tell what that says. So I'm not going to ask that you do that problem, just because I don't know what those numbers are. For this one, it's 13 minus 7, so I'm going to take my, for me, I want to use a double 10 frame to help me with this problem, but you don't have to use the strategy. So I have 10, and 3 more is 13. I'm going to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm left with 6. And then 15 plus 5. Well, I know 5 and 5 make a 10, and 10 plus 10 is 20. You could have solved it a different way. You do not have to solve it like I do. Kate had 12 balloons. 4 balloons flew up in the air. What number sentence shows how many balloons she has now? Well, I know she has 12. I know she loses 4 because we're separating because 4 go in the air. And I know she's losing 4 balloons because 4 went in the air. So I'm looking to see how many balloons does Kate have now. And so I'm going to look here. Oh, I see 12 plus 4. That means I'm joining. I'm losing 4 balloons, so I know that can't be the answer. 12 minus 4 equals 8. That is a possibility. I need to still solve my problem. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Again, that's not what we're solving. And 12 minus 8 equals 4. So my number sentence right here is 12 minus 4. So that's not what we're doing. Now I do want to make sure that I am being correct. So I can go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that's 4 more. So this was the right answer. Marvin Mouse is the class pet. How many paper clips long is Marvin Mouse? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know Marvin Mouse is 6 paper clips long. Paper clips. I ran out of room, so that's why I put the hyphen there. Tommy has the set of blocks in the box. What could he build with the blocks? All right, well, I see he's got all of these blocks, so he can only use these shapes. So in this one, I see a triangle, I see a circle, and a circle. So he could use these shapes. For this one, he's got 2 rectangles and 3 circles. I do not see 2 long rectangles, so he could not use those shapes. For this one, he's got 4 squares. I only see 2 squares, so he could not use those shapes. For this one, he has 3 triangles, but I only see 1 triangle, so he cannot use these shapes. So this is the only option there was. Look at the number represented with the base 10 blocks below. Write the number that is 10 more than the number represented. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. So I have 76 blocks. I want to show
Dismiss bus 13.
10 more than 76. So I'm going to add a group of 10 and count. So I know it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 6 leftovers, which is 86. Write the number that is 10 less and 10 more than each of the given numbers. Here's the number 40. 10 less would be taking away a 10, so I would have 30. 10 more than 40 would be adding a 10, so that would be 50, because there'd be 5 in the tens place. 28, I know my ones place is going to stay the same. 1 less would be 18. 1 more is 38 because I'm adding 1 to the tens place. For 59, I know my 9 is going to stay the same because I'm looking for 10 more and 10 less. So if I take 1 10 away from 59, I'm left with 49. If I have 59, I add 1 more 10, I'm going to have 69. 17, if I take away the 10, I'm left with 7 ones. If I add a 10, I have 27. For 68, if I take away a 10, I have 58. If I add a 10, I have 78. Mike has 57 rocks. He lost 10. How many rocks does he have now?
Dismiss bus 45. Dismiss bus 45.
So he has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. He has 57 rocks. He loses 10, so how many does he have left? 10, 20, 30, 40, and 7 more is 47. We're going to count by 10, start on 43, 43, 53, 63, 73. We're going to start on 14, 14, 24, 34, 44. We're going to start at 57, 57, 67, 77, 87.